guys to a brand new video. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to create a one product Shopify store that allows you to sell but really good. We want to create a store like this one that you are seeing here. For example, this is a great example of a good website of dropshipping. Okay, we have travel here, we have the nice picture, the bundle and save, we have the description, we have the copywriting, the special features. This website looks completely amazing. Okay, and you need stores like this to be able to scale your dropshipping stores and go to crazy numbers like 1k days, 10k days. You got the picture. Okay, so I'm gonna be teaching you step by step how to create literally a store like this one, or this one right here, or this one right here. As you can see, the structure of all of them are pretty much the same, and they are all copying the same structure, and we are going to do the same. Okay, literally you need a store like this if you want to succeed on dropshipping, and I'm going to be teaching you how to do it. So let's jump right into it. Okay, so first of all, it's compulsory to tell you that Shopify is offering a completely free trial nowadays. So you can start your dropshipping store for completely free, so you can test it, and then after your 3 days free trial, it will only cost you $1 your first month. Okay, so you have a free trial of 3 days, then you have a $1 per month in your first month, and then it will cost $36 per month. But the great of this is that with that free trial and your first month, you can start making sales to then be able to afford the $36 per month. The Shopify structure sale is amazing because it allows you to start your dropshipping store right now in this moment. So of course we are affiliates with Shopify, and all the content that we do is for free here on YouTube. So if you want to support the channel, you can use our affiliate link. It's on the description. It will be the first link, and Shopify are completely genius, and we really love them. So you literally go to the website and click start free trial, and you start your trial and start your dropshipping store. It's so easy. So now for this video example, I'm gonna be using one of these products that I have here. Okay, and I think we're gonna use the travel hair foldable clothing bag. Okay, so probably the first thing that you should do is find your supplier. Okay, because you need a supplier to actually fulfill your product. In case you don't have it yet, you need to go to AliExpress or CJ Dropshipping and find it. This is very important, and that's what I'm gonna be doing right now. Guys, literally took me 2 minutes to find the supplier in AliExpress and CJ Dropshipping both at the same time. So this is the supplier on CJ Dropshipping, and as you can see, it is this variant right here, and you can get it for a total price of $25. Okay, so these guys are selling it for almost $70 because this is euro. Okay, this is 65 euro, so that's like $70. So the profit margins here are great. Actually, I love the profit margins, and I think I'm gonna dropship this product, so I might be testing it really. This was a completely test, but I just saw it and I like it, and I think it fits the criteria of a winning product, so probably we're gonna test it with my raw. So literally you can see here the supplier $25, and also in AliExpress it's a bit expensive. It's 30 euro, so that's like $35 or something like it. So CJ Dropshipping is actually best, is better than AliExpress, so just go with CJ Dropshipping because the total price is cheaper, and actually they will fulfill your orders way more faster. So now we have the supplier, and it's this one. Okay, so the basis of building a store is realizing that you don't know shit. Okay, because most of you will start trying to reinvent the wheel, but most of you don't know copywriting, you don't know how to structure your store. So what we need to do is take this as an inspiration and improve it. Okay, because we can see some things that these guys might be doing wrong, and we need to take their website and improve it. Okay, so the first thing that we are gonna do is literally we're gonna create a logo. Okay, we're gonna create a name and we're gonna create a logo. We're gonna go to Canva. Okay, Canva is free. You can pay the paid version, but it's no sense. Okay, that's completely bananas. So these guys call this the travel hair. Okay, it's nice because it's focused to women. I'm gonna think like 5 minutes of the name and the logo, and I will be right back with you. So the best idea I had is go to ChatGPT. As always, guys, you need to take advantage of the AI and go, and I put creating names for an e-commerce store that sells you put the name of your product, and you can niche it down to a customer. For example, travel women, like women that travels. Okay, so creating names for an e-commerce store that sells affordable clothing bag for travel women, and literally gave me all this name. Of course, it's ChatGPT, and some of the names are completely bananas and ridiculous, but it's good because we want to make this quick, okay? You don't want to spend a lot of time in this, okay? When you are starting out, you want to start as fast as possible and as soon as possible. So I think I'm gonna go with theme fold, okay? So I'm gonna copy this name, okay? Because theme fold fashion is too long, so we are gonna shop it down to theme fold, and we're gonna come here to Canva. We are gonna look for some templates that we can use and that matches our brand and our product. So probably I'm gonna look for travel. However, it will be even better. Look, so for example, these guys have a really simple logo, okay? So you don't want to complicate it. We want a simple logo but with some details. For example, this is way too much, okay? And this also. And this also, we want something with a simple text and maybe an emoji or something like that, okay? Maybe this can work. It's way too sophisticated, okay? So let me play with it and I will come back with you in around 5 minutes. Okay, so literally I spent 2 minutes on this finding a template, okay? So you need to scroll, you need to just scroll and see which idea is the best for your brand and your product. But again, do it simple, don't complicate it. For example, a lot of these are way too much, okay? For example, this is way too much. But this one, theme fold, with a simple plain, it's awesome, okay? The typography, this is gonna be the logo for our brand. So once we have the logo and we also have the colors, because we know that the colors of our brand is gonna be this kind of pink or reddish, and also the white, okay? Your store should be always have a white background, okay? So we're gonna go to Shopify if you already create your free trial, okay? As you can see, this is the Shopify dashboard, okay? And it says here, your trial just started. You can go here and select a plan and select the plan that fits your needs. But if you are starting out with dropshipping, go ahead and click the basic. Never do the Shopify or the advanced. Doesn't make sense, bro. You are just starting out. You need the basic stuff, okay? What we are gonna do, first of all, go to online store. We are gonna start designing and creating our store, okay? First off, putting the product, putting the price, that we're gonna leave that for the final moment, okay? We're gonna start by giving momentum to the store, okay? So this is the main theme, okay? The don't theme. We don't want this. This is way oversaturated. All the people have this. I really like for women product the sense, okay? But also a lot of people use it. So if you can use another one, it's amazing. I like the sense, okay? It's also kind of saturated, but I don't give a fuck. So now we have the sense theme add, and we are gonna click publish. So this is our main theme. Sometimes Shopify takes some time of these things, but it should be really quick. So click on customize now. We're gonna start customizing our theme, okay? Literally, you're not gonna see a tutorial like this so in step by step, okay? Literally, I'm giving you all the sauce here. The first thing I like to do is go here and change our logo. So I'm gonna upload my logo really quick. There you go. Come on. Done. Now my logo is uploaded. And what we need to do now, before adding anything, is to match our brand identity with the rest of the page, okay? So you go to colors and start editing everything so that it matches this color here. It needs to be the same because you need to create the sense of a brand, okay? So go and do it now. I'm gonna do it and I will see you in a few minutes. Now you can see how everything looks cleaner and match with the brand identity, okay? So we have this here, this here, this here, this here. So everything is good to go. Now, what we are gonna do once we have this done is that we are gonna import the product to our store. Here, you can do it both ways, okay? Either of these two ways, okay? You can either copy the product page from your competitor, okay? For example, this will be a good option because they have really nice pictures and it looks really clean, okay? So for example, if we go to the CJ Dropshipping, this is our supplier, the products are not so clean, okay? They are good, however, they are good, but these ones are way better, okay? I don't know probably where this competitor took the pictures, but they made a great job and we can take advantage of this, okay? So what I would recommend you to do is go to this app here, okay? It looks, the name is copy, literally, because you will copy, and you go search copy on Shopify App Store. The app should pop right into it because it's this one, Ecom Apps Copy I. However, there are other versions like Duplify or Copy Genius, but this one for me is the best. So you go here and install, and they have a free trial. It's a free plan, okay, where you can copy 3 products for completely free. You are good to go. So click install it, and I'm gonna show you the process in just 1 second. Now the app is already installed, so you go here to import products, click product, copy the link, okay, boom, bam, import Shopify AliExpress. So this might happen to you, but this is cause the link has some issues. So you need to do is go here and delete all of those, okay? Import. Now it should work. There you go. So now what you're gonna start doing, I would suggest you to just click import and we will do all the changes into the product page. So don't worry if they have the name that is from the competition, we will change it eventually, but for the moment just click import. It's way more easy. So now the product is imported and you can see it here, and you need to change everything now that you want to change. For example, the name, you want to delete the name of the competition and make your own name, okay? Then the description, again, you can change it and add as much things that you like, okay? Try to improve it as much as possible. You can delete the pictures that you don't like, and also you can change your pricing, okay? I'm not gonna go over that because your offer is a completely different thing that you need to learn by other courses that we have here on YouTube or in our community. Your pricing and your offer, it's a completely different topic that I'm not gonna be touching in this video, but I definitely will encourage you to change the price, not a different offer, because either way you're not going to success by selling the same product with the same offer and the same pricing plus almost the same store. It will not work. They are already established as a dropshipping store. Probably they will win you. Go ahead and do as much changes as you need, okay? I'm not going to do it now, but what I will teach you now, because it's a Shopify tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to build the store of the product. So go to customize now. Since we have the product, we are going to start changing the product page, okay? This is the single most important thing. Your product page is key because it's where you are gonna send all the traffic towards, and your product page needs to be clean as fuck, okay? So go here to default product and we have the product, okay? I haven't changed a single thing, okay? But I will change it eventually on the future, so don't worry. First thing that you need to change is this ugly thing right here, okay? It says welcome to our store, but we don't want that. We want to make a call to action here. We want to put some valuable information, some social proof. I really like to do, for example, the basic, okay? Free, if that's what you offer, okay? Worldwide shipping and 30 days money back. Literally, when people enter your store, they will see that you have free worldwide shipping and 30 days money back guarantee. So that's awesome. Click save and yep, we're good to go. Now, as you can see here on the title, on the text, you have my store. You want to delete that, okay? You can go here, click on that, or you can come here and delete it. Click save. Then moreover, you can come here to the variant picker and do it drop down or builds, but it's the same, okay? There is completely bananas. And this button here of share, I like to delete it always, okay? I don't think people will share it. And as you can see here now, we have a basic stuff, okay? So what we need to do now is a few things. We need to use the correct applications, okay, to our Shopify store and our product page, and we need to start using the copywriting of the competition, okay? So for example, let's see how they did it, okay? So they have description right here, and they have design description, features, shipping, they have a little review here, and then they have this putting their hair in traveler. They have this right GIF, this really cute GIF, okay, some features, more features, reviews, Q&As, and then the reviews, okay? So the first thing watching this that we need to add to our store, okay, is the shipping and returns, okay? Because this is super important, okay? This is super important. So you go here and click add block, and you go and click collapsible row. In collapsible row, you go and put shipping. You're gonna select the truck icon, and here you will put the information of your shipping time. So go with the CJ dropshipping and check how much time it takes to process your orders and deliver to your customers, okay? And then you will duplicate this, okay? We're gonna create another one of returns, okay? And here you will put the information of your returns, okay? I highly suggest you to give 30 days money back guarantee, at least the bare minimum, okay? So you go here, put your returns information, okay? It's very important that people know what you're offering, so then you don't have problems, okay? And also, people don't see this as soon as they are buying. They will not buy from you because they don't know when they are gonna receive it, and if they receive it, they will be able to return it. You have the shipping and the returns. Now what you want to do most likely is put these here, okay, the design description and the features. So I am not allowed to copy it, okay, because this Shopify store is protected and doesn't allow me to copy it, but you will do the same method, okay? You will come here, you will duplicate, and you will put design description, okay? And you will click a new icon, and you will start putting the design description, and the same with the features. Literally, you put this with the features because this is valuable information that your customers needs to know. Moreover, the most single important thing for a Shopify store is having reviews, okay? So we're gonna leave this, okay? We're gonna go look for Vitals, okay? Vitals is an all-in-one app that literally has everything that you need to build your store. So click on install. They have 7-day free trial, and then is $29.99 per month, okay? So you can take advantage of the 7-day free trial to start selling your product, and then you pay the $29.99 per month. So I have installed install vitals, and as you can see here, the product reviews is the most important. So you go to product reviews and click activate app. You go to theme editor, it will ask you to some permissions, okay? Once all the permissions had been sent, you can now have your product reviews app, okay? And how you do this is you go to reviews and you need to import the reviews from other apps, from AliExpress or from a CSV, okay? It's really easy. You go to the AliExpress product page and you copy the reviews from AliExpress, okay? So easy. You literally go here, import reviews from AliExpress, and go click here and you copy the link. It will immediately copy the reviews from AliExpress, okay? So do this because it's very important that you have this thing, okay? The reviews. Literally, there is a survey that says that 70% of the people that buy online watch the reviews, and it's one of the most single important things when buying, okay? Now we have the product page with the images, we have the pricing, we have the specs or the features, and the only thing that we are missing is this section here, okay? This section here, that is more of a sale pitch, okay? It's more a copywriting text. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna teach you how to replicate some of these things into Shopify, okay? So literally, as you can see here, we have already the review up. So I have 0 reviews because I didn't import them, but you will have all your reviews here ready to show to your customers. And what we want to do is replicate the copywriting section, okay? So you go here and click add section, and we're gonna start by going here and click image with text, okay? And we're gonna see the competition again, putting the hair in the traveler. It's better for this, trying to copy this. We're gonna go here, sorry, I'm gonna delete it, and I'm gonna put rich text, okay? Rich text, and I'm gonna go here and putting the hair in the traveler, literally putting the hair in the traveler, and they also stay perfect bag for every itinerary. A perfect bag, there you go. You can delete this button here, go click and remove, and we're gonna keep on adding sections, okay? Add another section, and this time we're gonna go with where it is it a multi-column, okay? Because we want to replicate the other section that they have. This is this one, so we're gonna put literally go here. First of all, we're gonna delete this, the multi-column title, and we're gonna go here and put easy packing. Fit all your essentials for stress-free travels. Okay, there you go. And you are gonna keep doing the same with the other things. For example, wrinkle-free, keep clothes crisp and pristine, TCA approved, quality. You are gonna do the same with the other columns, and at the end you will have all of them. So now you can see how this starts to make sense, because you will have here your copywriting, you will have your reviews also, and you can do this process with every section of every Shopify store, okay? For example, you can do the same but with this one, okay? You can copy this and you can also replicate, for example, verified travel hearsay, but put in a rich text and then put in images below, okay? So you only need to take the structure from your competition and try to replicate with your structure and with your Shopify store, because these guys, they have some custom things going on, so you might not be able to, for example, put the image on the center, okay? That's not possible with Shopify, but you are able to do this and then put the image below, so it's okay, it's completely fine. So literally, for example, this website is really easy, okay? And also, if you, for example, want to copy the Q&A, you go here and click add sections, and you go to here, collapsible content, and for example you put U&A and you start putting your question, and you see, and then your answers. It's super easy, okay? You only need to be witty, okay? You only need to be witty in order to build your Shopify store. So all of these things are covered now because you probably already mimicate and replicate it, but you need to also do this, okay? The policies and the support menu, okay? You put your logo. This is super easy, okay? You go here and you go to footer, and first of all you can add your logo, so you can add block image, and you go here, select image, and you copy your logo. Okay, there you have it. And then you add another block and you put menu. Okay, you put menu, and this is the footer menu. You need to go here and make sure that you have all your policies on the footer menu, okay? Literally, you go to your Shopify settings and put all your policies. Make sure that those are on point. So you go here and policies. As you can see, I don't have any policy because I haven't set them up. But how you set them up? You go to settings, you go to policies, and you make them right here, okay? So it's really easy. Just make sure that you have your policies and your support, so people is happy and you are contacting and supporting your customers and your buys, okay? So literally, you almost have everything. Another thing that is really important, for example, are applications like these ones, okay? Bundle and save. but these applications are payment options. So you probably won't have the budget, but if you have the budget, for example, this is an application called Cashin Bundle that allows you to people bundle and save, and this way you increase your average order value and you make more money and they save money, so it's a win-win. So you understand now the concept of how to create your Shopify store. Okay, you need to be smart, witty, see what other people are doing, their structure, copy, replicate, and improve. Okay, it's not just good enough to replicate them. Okay, you need to improve these. Okay, you need to add your own sauce, you need to add your own stuff. How you do this? By adding an offer, by adding new reviews, by adding new things into the description, into the copyright. You need to be good at your competition. Plus, creating a Shopify store is a skill, so every time you build a new store, you will improve yourself. Okay, I literally became a master into creating Shopify stores only by creating my own stores, because even if you check this video the all long and you see all the courses that we have in the community and you see everything, until you don't do your store, you will not be able to learn. Okay, you need to try, have your mistakes, learn from them, and then you will become a master of creating a Shopify store. Also, last but not least, make sure that whenever you are launching, you have all your settings in place. Okay, so you will have to come here and change your store name, your store phone, your store email, your billing information, your currency. You need to put a payment provider so you can receive your payments. Okay, I recommend you to use Shopify payments. You need to make sure your checkout is on point. Your shipping times, make sure that are free and worldwide so everyone can see it. Make sure that all your markets are online. For example, these two are inactive, so you will have to make them active so people from all around the globe, they can buy from you. And also the policies, as I already said. And one thing that almost all the people forget is the homepage. Okay, so you can go to your homepage and customize it the same way that we did with the product page. So you add some pictures, you put some text. Okay, you can put your main product and also have the policies. Your homepage is not so important because people will not go over there so much. The whole idea is to only funnel up to this product, okay, and keep all the focus here. Okay, so yeah, that was pretty much it. You can also use another applications to make it more fancier, but it will take more time and more money in terms of building it. So you need to first build and make some sales and they upgrade your store. Okay, so hope that you enjoy this content, that you took some information. Let me tell you that we have a webinar that you can see right now. Okay, I will leave the link down below. We have a webinar where we go over the basics of dropshipping, how to start, what are the fundamentals, everything. It's a 20-minute webinar that you can check. So I will leave the link down below. If you want to see it, you are welcome. Also, don't forget to use the Shopify link if you want to support our channel and our community. It will be amazing. Hope that you enjoyed the video. Hope that you learned. Please drop a like, drop a comment, and subscribe if you like it, and see you soon.